What's poppin', guys? I'm back. It's your girl Smith. Need to get like a hype, short hype. What do they call it? Like the way Nicki Minaj goes, I am Nicki Minaj, Nicki Lewinsky, Nicki the Barbie, Nicki the Bam, Nicki the Ninja, Nicki the Big Boy. Oh yeah, keep it going lay or I'm Dallas Smith with the something seas. I'm open suggestions, please drop them down. I appreciate that. But anyways, today's video is going to be about me, and I shouldn't have said that because I'm supposed to welcome you to my channel. So welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, this is all love, and I also love you. But for me to know that you love me, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to be sharing some fun facts about me, and I think that it's going to be fun. I know that you might not care, but you know you're here, so yeah, I'm so excited for this one. Anyways, without further ado, let's get straight to this video. So guys, I have a list on my phone. I'm just going to be saying them one after the other. So fun fact number 1, I have 7 sisters and we're all beautiful. My mom and dad's gene, oh god, on steroids. Fun fact number 2, I actually played football when I was in secondary school. I'm a sports babe, but now, I'm actually scared of the ball itself. Like, fun fact number, hey, otutu mumio. So fun fact number 3, I'm actually scared of heights. I think they call it I think it's acrophobia. Yeah. So I'm acrophobic. Fun fact number 4, I've actually never been on a plane. I've never flown on a plane. I've never gone anywhere in a plane, if that makes sense. Back in primary school, I remember going for an excursion to the airport. So I've actually gone on the plane, entered the plane, seen what it looks like, but your girl has never gone on a trip in a plane. Oh my god, we actually need to strike that out. Olu, wow. Well, we'll go packaging. It's a lot to take in right now, but yes guys, I've never been on a plane, and it takes me to my next fun fact. I never left Nigeria before. I've been in Nigeria for the most part of my life. Fun fact number 7, this is going to blow your mind. I actually hated boys in primary school. I don't know why that was. Oh god, all my seatmates, they know me. I was so mean to them. I just hated boys. Then secondary school, I started, mixing. And now, trust me, I like guys. Die. Men are. Me, I like men. So, we move. Fun fact number 8, my worst subject. Like, it wasn't my worst. It's just like, I did not know it. I could not just comprehend. It's so hard. Right from when I was young, mathematics. If you have that problem, please don't think that you're alone. Now I think that it'd be okay on basic mathematics because I've had to study hard for different courses in the university. Fun fact number 9, I'm actually sapiosexual. I love people that know maths. The irony of life. I mean, yeah, I love guys that understand everything. Just be intelligent, smart. That's a freaking turn on. Asking for too much. The only thing I don't know is maths. Oto, I'm actually every other thing that I'm asking for. So what do you want to tell me? Fun fact number 10 is I'm attracted to older guys. Yeah, I am. When I talk about older guys, I don't mean married men. So I'm attracted to older guys within the age range of say 29, 30, 35, 39 can still work. I think the max I can go is 40. Unmarried though, I don't have a reason for that. I probably had conversations with older guys, probably been around older guys. I just vibe with it. Would date somebody that is way older than me, like 7 years, 10 years, and I wouldn't mind. That's about that. So fun fact number 11, I'm actually a neat freak. Like I hate things that are messy. Right now my room is messy, but it's because I have absolutely nothing I can do about it. So that is the only time, and it still makes me freak out really. But then strong, I can do this. But yeah, I love keeping my things organized. When you take my things, when you use my stuff, even if it's not my stuff, as far as it's around me, you should just put it back in a very nice and neat manner. Don't just dump it. Yeah, it kills somebody. So yeah, I'm like that. Fun fact number 12. I actually wish that I could sing. My friends that have good voices know how much I am always begging them for voice notes, like, Zaina, please sing for me. Hey Timmy, please sing for me. Those are like the two friends I know that can really sing. Oh, Abe. He's a guy, he never answers me, but he's very good. I just wish I could. That people that can sing will say that anybody can sing. I've tried to sing. Just look at that. It's terrible. Yeah, so fun fact number 13 is it takes me like an hour to 2 hours before I can sleep. Some people just close their eyes and like gone in less than 2 seconds. But you see this babe right here, I fight with sleep and I'm a very light sleeper. Any sound, I'm awake before I can find that sleep again. So please do not disturb me when I'm sleeping. At some point I thought I had insomnia. I think I do to an extent. When I was in the university, I actually used to take codeine to sleep. It was that bad. Shout out to my friend that used to buy it for me. I love you. Sha. So they said that that codeine was drug abuse at that point in time, that there are insomnia pills. But what did I know? They said it one time and I felt good. You know, when you sleep without dreaming, like, I want to sleep. I'm gonna sleep again. That's how it felt. As I know they sleep now, I say, boy, Alpha, bring me some of it again. You know, keeping me going. Yeah, fun fact number 14 is I love chocolate cakes. Chocolate cake forever. I mean, I take red velvet. I don't even like vanilla at all. So, fun fact number 15 is my least worst. When we talk about chores, I hate washing plates. Doing laundry. These two things just kill me, but I do them anyways. When I was younger, my mom used to chase me everywhere to wash plates. Like, literally throw our plates away. Pots, if I scrub it small and it's not coming up, throw it away. It was bad, and I still hate doing dishes and laundry. But girls gotta do what she gotta do. Fun fact number 15 is I've actually never taken a single drip in my life. You know, when they admit you in the hospital, all that shenanigans, I've never been admitted. No pin has ever entered my body to take water or take, nah, slick bitch. By God's grace, no weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. Amen. To remote something, if I'm around you, mommy, it will not happen. So guys, fun fact number 16 is, see this your girl. Back in primary school, I used to be a runner. As a maze runner. I run past maze runner. What's that guy's name? Miss Dylan, Brian, and picking up me. But I mean, Scott's name almost for life. He said I should sing one song too. Because if we attach the audio inside, YouTube will block it. So we're just gonna sing it. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gonna run away when it gets hard. She gonna I don't know that part. Oh, yeah, so that's about it, guys. So fun fact number 17 is I actually love piercings and I have 9 of them. Not gotten to the juicy part. Every single piercing that I have on my body was manually done, not professionally done, except for one, which is the worst pain I've ever felt in my entire life. Like, it was so painful. But yeah, I have 9 piercings. I will talk about them in another video. Fun fact number 18, we have 2 to go. I like to do things myself, and I want it to be done in a certain way. So if you do it, well, thank you, but I will still go back to redoing it. Like, you can lay my bed for me and I will still relay it myself. Crazy, whatever. Yeah, I think I'm just self-sufficient. So fun fact number 19, I'm going to get a bit personal. I don't think it's really personal, I just think you should know. Maybe I have some gentlemen in here to be guided. My love languages are surprises, give me gifts. I love gifts. Acts of service, like, you know, just help me out, do things for me. Don't ask me for too much, man. Fun fact of the day, it's me. I actually love communication. This is relationship wise. Tell me things before you do them, because I will do that. I will tell you things before I do them. I want somebody to ask me, where's your man's at now? I'm like, he's sleeping. And they go to his house to check and they're like, oh, he's snoring. So kind of communication. It is not monitoring spirit, because I'm an overthinker, so just love when you communicate with me. It pisses me off when you don't. So guys, 20 freaking interesting fun facts about me. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed filming it. Really enjoyed every bit of it, and just thinking of a lot of facts about myself. Yeah, we're probably going to have a part 2 of this, depending on how you guys show some love to this video. And thank you so much for sticking to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, if you have any questions concerning this video, drop a comment and be sure that I would answer everything. Bye guys. Ciao ciao.